Hi, I'm Jeff White, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use CLEAN-EEZ and CLEAN-EEZ. This either comes in a kit or each individually, and if you buy the kit, you get a microfiber cloth with it. We're in this hotel room here in Las Vegas. It's a high-end hotel, and we forgot to bring our microfiber cloth, and we forgot to bring the sprayers for CLEAN-EEZ and CLEAN-EEZ. And we're leaving soon. They're trying to come in and clean the room actually, but our plane was delayed, so we figured we'd shoot a quick video for you. So when you get these, they will have sprayers on there. They come with black sprayers and they're nice and they look good sitting on your countertop or however you want to do it. But if you had a sprayer, you would spray this all, the CLEAN-EEZ would spray it all over the granite, and you would take your microfiber cloth. I'm just going to dump it on there. And you're just going to rub it in. And if it's in good shape, it's just going to dry up nice and quick. You're going to flip your towel over, and you're going to put a little more elbow grease into it, and you're going to bring a nice shine. And hopefully that shows a nice shine now, because this is in good shape. This is black granite. This is in real nice shape. If it was a little rougher and a little dirtier, you would probably clean it first, let it all dry, and then you'd go back over with another spritz, turn your towel over or get another towel and buff it, and then you'd get an even better shine out of it. But it really is that easy. And then if you wanted to go ahead and seal this, I would wait about a half hour, let it really dry up, maybe even an hour. I would spritz my sealer on there. I'm just going to dump it on another towel that we got from the hotel here and lightly apply it. We're in direct sun, so it's drying up pretty darn quick on here. We're actually just 17th floor. I think we're 17 floors closer to the sun here, so that's why it's drying so fast. But you'd want it to sit 5 to 10 minutes while it was still wet, and then you would just come back with a dry cloth and wipe it off. And it's as easy as that. This is going to be once a year, maybe twice a year. I recommend 2 coats always, because you might miss something. You might have a little bit more pressure on the towel in other places. So you put your first coat on, you let it dry, come back another hour, and you put your second coat on. Then you're going to be good for most of the time, at least a year. If you're in high traffic, you have a lot of abuse on that countertop, do it twice a year. It's a 24-ounce bottle. It's going to last you a good long time. This will do the average house countertops probably 3 times, maybe 4 times before you have to replace it. And then you would maintain it with the CLEAN-EEZ. CLEAN-EEZ is a neutral pH cleaner with a polish built into it. The nice thing about a neutral pH, some people call it pH balanced, is it won't break down the sealer. If you use too strong of a cleaner, if you use Dawn dish soap after you're done doing your dishes and you wipe it down, it will break down your sealer prematurely. Just a quick spritz of that, wipe it down, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. We gotta go catch a plane.